Hi, and welcome to Tutorial 12, Importing CPM-Dairy Rations. This tutorial will show you how to import rations from the CPM-Dairy Ration Evaluator so that CPM-Dairy users do not have to recreate their entire library of rations when transitioning to NittanyCow. As you view this tutorial, you may want to pause the video so that you can follow along on your computer, and you can always watch this tutorial again until you are comfortable with the topics that are covered. For more information on anything you see here, please visit our website, www.NittanyCow.com. NittanyCow allows users to import rations from the CPM-Dairy Ration Evaluator. This convenient feature means that CPM-Dairy users do not have to recreate their library of working rations when they upgrade to NittanyCow. Because of some of the differences in the way CPM-Dairy and NittanyCow calculate some nutrient values, it will be necessary to make some minor adjustments to CPM rations after they are imported into NittanyCow. Let's begin by importing a CPM ration. Because CPM saves rations externally, it is not necessary to export rations from CPM before beginning the import process, provided you know where the CPM rations are saved on your computer. To import a CPM ration, go to Manage Rations, then select Manage Rations. From the Options menu, select Import Ration. Be sure to select all files from the menu at the bottom of the Open window, or you will not be able to locate the appropriate ration. Find the desired CPM ration on your hard drive or removable disk, and highlight it with a single click. Then click Open. NittanyCow will now prompt you to select the catalog to which you would like to save your imported ration. Select the appropriate catalog from the drop-down menu, or create a new catalog by entering the catalog name and description, and select New Catalog from the drop-down menu. Then click OK. NittanyCow will now ask you to match the feeds in the incoming ration to existing feeds in NittanyCow. Note that NittanyCow will not overwrite nutrient profiles from the previous evaluator. Rather, NittanyCow uses your feed selections to fill in data for fields that are not used in the CPM-Dairy model. For this example, if I select alfalfa hay 23% crude protein to match alfalfa hay 24% crude protein, NittanyCow will retain all the values for alfalfa hay that were shown in the CPM ration. However, NittanyCow will also use the default values of alfalfa silage 23% crude protein for items like VFAs and chop length, which are not used in CPM. For this reason, users should make selections that are as close as possible to the feed from the incoming ration, but it does not matter if the two feeds are not an identical match. You will not lose the feed name or nutrient profile listed in the CPM ration for fields common to both evaluators. You will only gain additional information based on your feed selection. However, because of significant differences between the two model approaches, you will lose some information available in CPM, such as carbohydrate and protein digestibility rates. With some experience, you will be able to note the differences and make comparisons between the two models. Once you have made your feed selection for the feed name listed at the top of the window, click OK. NittanyCow will now move on to the next feed in the ration. Please remember that this process may take a few minutes if you are importing a ration with a large number of different feeds. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will fast forward through this process. Once the last required feed selection has been made, the import process is complete, and NittanyCow will now list your rations in the Rations window, where they can be used in the same manner as any other ration. After the CPM ration has been imported, open the ration in NittanyCow. Because of the way CPM works, the data will be imported into NittanyCow using metric units of measurement by default. If you typically work in English units, simply change the units in the cow worksheet and save the ration. NittanyCow will make all the necessary conversions. As you view the ration worksheets, you will see that NittanyCow has retained all the information that existed in CPM-Dairy for fields shared by both evaluators, including nutrient profiles, feed names, and animal information. In addition, NittanyCow has filled in default information for items like VFAs and chop length, which were determined by the feed selection made during the import process. Users should take special note to adjust the NDF and ADF values of animal protein sources, such as blood meal, as CPM assigns values for NDF and ADF to these feeds, and NittanyCow does not. Once CPM rations have been imported and any necessary adjustments have been made, users can save any customized feeds or mixes to the appropriate user or mill feed lists. Simply right-click on the desired feed and select the correct copy command as described in Tutorial 3. You can copy multiple feeds to user or mill feed lists at the same time by holding down the Control button on your keyboard and highlight all the feeds in the ration you wish to copy. Then right-click and select the desired copy command. Because CPM saves rations individually, users must import CPM rations one at a time into NittanyCow. Generally, users opt to import CPM rations as they are needed, rather than spending several hours transferring all the data from one evaluator to the other in one session. In this way, you can generally make a complete transition to NittanyCow in a matter of a week or two. Remember, you have 30 days from the time of installation to use NittanyCow for free before deciding to purchase a user license. This should provide plenty of time to convert all the necessary data from CPM-Dairy to NittanyCow. This concludes Tutorial 12. For more information, please consult the NittanyCow help file and other NittanyCow tutorials, or contact NittanyCow customer support to ask more questions.